Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best two-car garage epoxy floor kit is probably one of the most transformative upgrades you can make to your garage, instantly enhancing its look, durability, and functionality. Today, we are diving deep into what makes a great kit, and what you should look for before buying one, so you can make an informed decision and end up with a stunning, long-lasting epoxy floor. Number 5. Rust-Oleum EpoxyShield Garage Kit. Transform your garage floor with our durable epoxy coating kit. It's perfect for creating a long-lasting, professional-looking finish. This two-part epoxy formula is 5 times harder than standard one-part epoxy paints. It provides superior protection against chemicals and wear and tear. It's easy to apply to interior concrete surfaces like garage floors, workshops, and basements. Get a showroom shine with minimal effort. You can walk on it in just 24 hours, and it's ready for your vehicle in just 3 days. Get back to using your space quickly. It's resistant to gasoline, antifreeze, motor oil, and salt. Enjoy a beautiful, glossy finish that will last for years. This low VOC formula has a low odor, making it a more pleasant option for your home improvement project. It's the perfect choice for a healthy, beautiful garage floor. What we like. This kit is perfect for smaller garages. Its easy-to-clean finish is ideal if you value a low-maintenance floor. The durable formula ensures long-lasting protection for your investment. If you have a single-car garage and prioritize ease of maintenance, this is the kit for you. What people say. After 24 hours, the finish looked great, and now, 3 weeks later, the paint still looks new and shiny. Great coverage with an amazing finish. It worked. I was able to completely coat the entire 800 square feet without an issue. I did this in just 1 hour. Number 4. Rust-Oleum EpoxyShield Garage Kit. Introducing the Rust-Oleum EpoxyShield Garage Floor Coating. It's a durable, long-lasting solution for your concrete surfaces. This two-part epoxy formula is 5 times harder than standard epoxy floor paints. It provides superior protection against stains and damage. Get a showroom quality, glossy finish that's easy to clean and maintain. It's the perfect upgrade for any garage. It's walkable in just 24 hours and ready for vehicles in only 3 days. Get back to using your garage quickly. It resists damage from hot tires, gasoline, antifreeze, motor oil, and even salt. It's built to last. This low VOC, low odor formula makes application easy and pleasant. Enjoy a fresh-smelling garage after application. What we like. Need to cover more ground? This larger kit is designed for bigger spaces. The glossy finish adds a touch of elegance to your garage. Its superior hardness ensures it can withstand heavy use. If you have a larger garage and want a durable, attractive floor, this is a great choice. What people say. Did 2 garages. There are plenty of flakes. The square footage shown on the box is a generous single coat. I did up the wall about 12 also, there is enough. Don't be afraid to put on a nice thick coat and then you only have to do a single coat. It has a great sheen. You don't need to buy an additional top gloss. The kit contains 2 large metal containers with epoxy mix and 2 smaller containers with activator compound. We emptied out garage, cleaned the floor with degreaser and etcher, rinsed well, let dry, filled in random cracks. Covered the entire perimeter with paper tape at the wall floor lip junction. Plenty of sprinkles created plenty of friction on the floor to prevent slipping. 1.5 kits covered my 23 by 35 foot inside measurement garage floor. New concrete 1.8 years old. The etch supplied in the kit did what it was supposed to. Coat coverage with the gray color. Flakes look good. Number 3. Rust-Oleum RockSolid Garage Floor Coating. Transform your garage floor with our durable and easy-to-apply coating. It's perfect for garages, workshops, or basements. It's 20 times stronger than epoxy and resists cracking, peeling, and chemical spills. Say goodbye to damaged concrete. This self-leveling formula creates a smooth, even surface. Application is quick and easy, with minimal odor. You can walk on it in just 8 to 10 hours, and your car can be back on it in 24 hours. Get back to your life quickly. It delivers a showroom quality, high-gloss metallic finish that's resistant to hot tire pickup. One coat is all you need for a stunning look. Each kit covers up to 125 square feet, making it perfect for various sized projects. Cleanup is easy with mineral spirits. What we like. Want a unique look for your garage? This kit offers a stunning metallic finish. It dries quickly, minimizing disruption to your schedule. The one-coat application saves you time and effort. If you're looking for a stylish, high-performance floor that's ready fast, this kit is for you. What people say. The finish, the shine, the metallic additive gives it almost a 3D dimensional look. Excellent product, easy to use, looks and works great. It's a very thin liquid and spreads out pretty thin. Double what you are covering, so if you need 2 boxes, get 4. Number 2. Garage Epoxy Floor Kit. Transform your garage floor with our 100% solids epoxy kit. It's a durable, long-lasting solution that will withstand even the toughest wear and tear. This kit includes a military-grade topcoat, providing superior protection against chips, scratches, and stains. It's built to last. It's easy to apply yourself, saving you time and money. Follow the simple instructions for a professional-looking finish. Say goodbye to slippery floors. It's slip and hot tire resistant, keeping your garage safe and clean. This kit is perfect for large garages. It provides enough coverage for up to 600 square feet. Choose from a variety of stylish colors to complement your garage's aesthetic. This kit comes in a sleek designer gray. Everything you need is included in one convenient kit. Get started on your garage floor transformation today. What we like. For large spaces, this kit provides extensive coverage. Its industrial-grade formula ensures exceptional durability and protection. It's also DIY-friendly, allowing you to complete the project yourself. If you need to cover a large area and want a tough, long-lasting floor, this is the option for you. What people say. The kit comes with all necessary tools. The results were even better than I expected, and the floor looks just as good as the ones friends of ours have had professionally installed at 3-4 times the cost. I have already placed a heavy refrigerator, storage cabinets, and vehicles on the finished floor without a single scratch or flake. Relatively easy DIY installation. Looks great. Number 1. Rustoleum EpoxySheild 251,870. Transform your garage floor with Rustoleum EpoxySheild. It's tough, durable, and easy to apply. This coating provides superior protection against stains, chemicals, and wear and tear. Keep your garage floor looking great for years to come. This kit contains everything you need to coat up to 250 square feet. It's perfect for most standard-sized garages. With its easy-to-follow instructions, you can achieve a professional-looking finish. Enjoy a durable and beautiful floor for years. It comes in a variety of colors to match your style and preferences. Find the perfect shade to complement your garage. Upgrade your garage with Rustoleum EpoxySheild. It's the ultimate solution for a durable and attractive floor. What we like. This kit offers great value for larger garages. It provides superior protection against chemicals and wear. The application process is straightforward, even for DIY enthusiasts. If you need a durable, protective coating for a large garage and want an easy application, this is a good choice. What people say. With the pouches instead of cans, so much easier. My garage is 34 x 25, needed 2 of the 2-car kits and had some left over. I used a roller on a long handle. I wish I poured it and used a squeegee instead, but it worked. I think the squeegee would have produced a smoother finish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.